We have been getting many questions about how students can sign in and access Canvas. The easiest way to do this is by coming to the school district website, smjuhsd.k12.ca.us. From the district website, go to the People icon. This will take you to a bunch of links that you can access most programs available for students and staff. Scroll down until you come to the Canvas links. The white and red Canvas link is for staff and student sign in. The blue link is for parent sign in. For staff and students signing in, this will take them to the Santa Maria Joint Union High School District sign-in page. Staff will sign in with their school email at smudged.org. Students will sign in with their school email at students-smudged.org. When they type in their email address and click Next, they will be asked to enter their password, which is a capital letter, a lowercase letter, followed by 6 numbers. This will take them directly into their Canvas page. Students at Santa Maria High School do not have a link on their web page. They will need to go to the district website and find the Canvas link. Students at Righetti High School can scroll down on the page until they come to the Canvas link. The first link, white, is for parents. The second link, the blue with white, is for students and staff. The same is true at Pioneer Valley High School. Parents can log into Canvas from the top link. Students and staff can log into Canvas from the bottom link.